Good afternoon, and welcome to the Zero to Techno Policy Pitch by Crystal Parker. Change involves learning something new and simultaneously letting go of the past. Educational technology has brought growth and forward movement in the classroom. This technology has changed the classroom setting as it has developed new ways to engage, increase literacy, and promote diversity. Today we are looking at changing the current zero tolerance for in-class technology. We'll discuss the problems and solutions. One problem is funding. Faith Outreach Education Center is funded solely by student tuition. We do not have additional funding for iPads and tablets for each student. Personal technology. By adding technology used to the pedagogy of the class, an increase in literacy can be seen. Using the technological, pedagogical, content knowledge approach, or TPAC for short, this will allow instructors to choose a specific domain such as reading and adjust their practices to use the technology such as games to support their current classroom pedagogies. McTeague 2018. We want to change the zero tolerance policy as research shows the many benefits of allowing technology in the classroom. McTeague explains how computer games increase literacy. Johnson introduces the TPAC approach, and Hugh explains the positive effects of iPads in the classroom. For us, the cost will be $0 and a wonderful learning increase. But how? How will we go from a no tolerance to technology to a moderate tolerance of in-class technology? By using the principle of moderation. Finn and Ledbetter, 2013, states that this principle encourages the use of current and relevant technology and discourages non-relevant usage, which predicted higher learning empowerment. And that is what we are here for. We are here to empower each and every student. The buy-in. Finn and Ledbetter also suggest that including stakeholders allow them to feel they are influencing what is happening in the course of policy change, and this adds value. Therefore, in the first meeting, the principal will sit with the staff and discuss what devices they feel fit for classroom learning. In the second meeting, the staff will sit with the students and discuss what methods of technology they feel most comfortable using, and how they feel that it will benefit them in the classroom, how often they should be able to use their technology, and any other conversations around technology that might come up that will be beneficial to creating this new policy. In the third meeting, everyone will gather together in assembly to review the finalized rules. Although no one technology will suit every teacher, allowing them to select technology they are most comfortable with provides for a continued sense of classroom control, and that was stated by Johnson et al., 2012. I thank you so much for your time. I hope that you've gathered a bit more information on understanding better how personal technology will be beneficial in our classrooms for this upcoming school year. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day.